rice, okay? Not only that I consume rice, I put rice on my face. And I also put rice on my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cree, and today I'm gonna be doing another review. So I hope you guys liked the last video of me doing my very first haul, and this is gonna be my second time. And as of today, I'm gonna be reviewing my very first YesStyle. So I ordered my very first skincare on the website or the app, and I got it for express shipping for free. Yes. And then they also sent a gift, like a small skincare, like I don't know what it is, but it's a gift from them. So yeah, let's start unboxing. If this is gonna work, let's hope my nails don't break. Okay. That's a lot of skincare. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't wait to use them. And if you guys do want like honest reviews, I'm willing to put it out there. So this is a gift that I got. So it's Madagascar Centella. It's like on the back it says what's the purpose. So it's a toner. It's exfoliating and calming, and it's good for your pores. Yeah. So I'm gonna start off with the cleansing balm. So this one though, I think it's vegan, 100% vegan over here. So yeah, and it's cruelty free. So it's by Heimish. I don't know why it sounds like a Bollywood name, okay? So cleansing balm comes first, especially when you wear makeup. It's a must. I even use these without wearing makeup. Alright guys, next is the face cleanser. It's ETUDE or ETUDE, okay? It's one of that, okay? But Jung, that's the one. That's the name I looked at. So that's the cleanser I got. So yeah, this one is also vegan. So guys, after you cleanse your face with the cleansing balm, you will usually just wash your face with a face wash, something like this. Oil cleansers are like the new things now, and I think I'm gonna start ordering them too. There's this one Japanese brand that is like really good. A lot of people loved it, so I'm gonna order it in my next YesStyle order. Next is toner. So I got two toners. I got this toner, okay, it's called Rice Toner, and it's from I'm From, okay, it's by I'm From. This one is also vegan. I don't know, I just realized that I got a lot of stuff that are vegan, and yeah, I think one of the main problems that I'm having is that I'm having a sensitive skin, and I have dry skin problem, especially in the winter. It's a huge problem for me. So, less acids are good for me. Or right after the cleansing, like the cleansing oil and the balms and everything, after you wash your face, start out with the toner. This is also another thing. I don't know why they said refiner. I have never, here, let me show you guys. I have never seen this before, but I technically got this because it's like a milk texture, they say. And plus I get it in a travel size just to try it out. So yeah. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us are used to this brand. I don't know how to say it. And next, after the toner, it's one of my favorite products. Is this right here. It's the one that like all over the internet now. All over the social media actually. So this is a advanced Snail 96 Snail Essence. This is the brand name. COSRX. Anywho though, well, yeah, this is the essence. You put this after the toner, if I'm correct. This, like, the skincare step routine should be from like the most watery texture to the thickest cream texture, if I'm correct, because technically essence is more thicker than the toner. Toner is like totally water, it's almost literally just like water. Don't drink it though. So guys, next is this. Let me introduce you guys to, it's called Beauty of Joseon. Joseon. This is a serum. They have, I think, 4 type of serums, and I got the, like, I'm gonna put a picture right here of the color that I got, okay? And well, directions are in the back, okay? Another Beauty of Joseon right here. It's eye serum, technically an eye cream. I never knew I needed an eye cream until my eye will react. It will have bad reaction towards anything I put on my eye. The one that I will usually use is this right here because I'm having a skin problem, obviously. Jung, as you know, as a cleanser here. Yeah, well, I got the cream, and this is you know, like 2-time barrier intensive cream, so it will, like, whatever other cream will do, this should double it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna ask for a refund because you said 2-time for what. And then I also got another one, which is again, the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty cream. As luxurious as it sounds, it is a very rich cream. Beauty of Joseon again, but this one is a sunscreen. So yeah, sunscreen, SPF of 50, very important. Yeah, sunscreens are very important. I never knew I needed these until I went out to the sun, and then my makeup get baked, like literally baked, and then come home to a cracky face. So sunscreen is a must. And guys, last but not least, something that you guys can never live without is a pimple patch. But this one is like mostly for nighttime, but you can also use it in the daytime. But the reason why I show this after the sunscreen is because, you know, just in case many people didn't tell you guys. So pimple patch is a must, okay? And this one is from COSRX. I'm not gonna even pronounce it anymore, okay? Whatever. But yeah, well, this one has 90 patch. It's very good for your skin, I'll tell you that. I have tried a couple pimple patch, okay? Like, I tried this one, for example. I did not like it. And I had a couple more in my house. We just bought them because of the price and stuff. And also, like, it's reasonable. But, yeah, well, I don't know about other people in my family, but it did not work well for me like how it did with this one. That's why I personally recommend this one. And also, I use the Snail essence. Where is it? It's right here. I use this from the same brand. So I feel like, I don't know, like, I think it works so well for me. And also, like, they stick on so well. Okay? I'll tell you that. And it's literally invisible. For me, at least. And, yeah. They don't really come off easily, too. So that's how much of a good quality they are. So guys, I'll be going over what came in this package here, just because I was gonna do another vlog for this, but since the vlog is too short, I'm just gonna add it together so you guys can sit back and enjoy. I am going to show you guys what just arrived to my house. The package is very big. This one came in the mail. Oh, it's from Victoria's Secret. There. First, guys, I got this as a gift. Ooh. This is the plush blanket. It's just gonna add on to my collection of getting the free stuff, okay? Next, I got this box. So this is the big bottle that I got. This one, guys, is teas. This is the teas are the regular one. I know that they have like teas, what? White cloud, cream cloud, something like that with the cloud. But this is the regular one. Next is this one. This is the next one that I got. This one is Bombshell Seduction. Another box. This is also another bombshell. This looks so good. This one is Bombshell Intense. Next, I think this is the last one, which is so sad. This does not feel good. The dust. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so poorly packaged. Look at it. It can move anywhere. Why? But that's what I got. Bare. Just bare. Guys, I forgot to film the outro, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, everything will be linked in the description below.